Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of the MEINESQIS book Nook DIY Miniatures Kit, a stunning 3D decorative bookend that transforms your bookshelf into a magical retreat. Crafted with premium basswood, this kit offers a durable and charming addition to any space, complete with precise engineering for a snug fit and dimensions of 8.27 by 5.04 by 9.21 inches. Inspired by everyday reading scenes, the Soul bookstore design combines a 3D box structure with an internal landscape, enhanced by LED lighting that casts a warm, inviting glow over the miniature world. This engaging DIY project provides 5 to 6 hours of stress relief fun, stimulating creativity and offering a satisfying sense of accomplishment once completed. Not only is it a breathtaking piece of decor, but it also serves as a collectible showcase of intricate scenes, making it an eye-catching addition to any room. Perfect as a thoughtful gift for both kids and adults, the MEINESQIS decorative bookhouse encourages creative communication among family and friends, making it an ideal choice for birthdays or Christmas. Just remember, you'll need to prepare 2 AAA batteries to complete the assembly, as they are not included due to shipping restrictions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.